body aligned by heaven. Hold that thought, stay a single 5 seconds. Be like my mama, bear me, bear children. Proud papa, father with your ball in the field. But baby, where's your pass block? Triple coverage in the end zone. I call the shots, I'm the one that scarred you, but stripes do harmonize. Use your body, use your brain. Build that body, feed that name. Prove that theory, know you're sane. Work till glory, end the game like use your body, use your brain. Build that.
Welcome to the match. Fans seem like they are really looking forward to the game. That's the whistle, kick-off. Through ball. Through ball. Good play, one-on-one. Long pass. Chance in the box. He scored! There goes the ball. Losing possession. Heavy shot. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. Fails to keep the ball. Cross into the middle. Oh, they lose possession now. The cross is coming in. Quarter of the half gone. Both teams showing positive intent. Losing possession. Fed forwards. It's the moment! Yes, it is! Again! Fails to keep the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Tried a through ball. Here's the cross. Nice long ball. Regain possession. It's in! Plenty of power on that. And the ball is in the net. Crowd would have gone crazy, and quite rightly, so what a finish that is! There goes the ball. Losing possession. Might be able to get in behind the defence. A through ball attempt. The score is now 3-0. Losing possession. Heavy shot. Oh, good save. Oh, that would have been a great start to the game, but that's a bad miss. Crossing in from the corner. What a good pass that is! Couldn't quite get them. Score! Again! Fails to keep the ball. Through ball. Golden opportunity! What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team! It's worth a try anyway. Firing from the corner. Nice one! Need to be hitting the target from that distance. Looking to find space. Oh, great vision. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Didn't miss by very much. Trying to find the target man. Seeking out a passing lane. Beautiful long pass. A little goal! A brilliant brace, lifting the whole team's spirits. There goes the ball. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. What a real challenge for the keeper. Fails to keep the ball. Striking from long range. That was an amazing save! So the final whistle is blown. We're going into the half-time break. Second half is finally starting. Losing possession. Losing possession. Spotted the opportunity. Doubles the personal tally. Again! Carrying the ball forward. A through ball attempt. Heavy shot. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. Good play, one-on-one. Losing possession. What a chance! Just the keeper to beat! A great save! Real class! 2/3 of the match complete. Fascinating tactical battle. Heavy shot! Goal! There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Threaded through. Aim forward, looks to thread it through. Nice clean through. Just missed a golden opportunity. Restart from the goalkeeper. That's how to rob them of possession. Crashing against the bar. A very timely interception. Position at the back post. Oh, great vision. Beautiful footwork. Forward long pass. Pressure forced the error. Goal kick. Oh, so close. Restart from the goalkeeper. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Through ball. Through ball. Excellent vision. Good forward play from them. What a perfect hat-trick! Again! Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. Tried a through ball. Fails to keep the ball. Carrying the ball forward. The cross is coming in. That's a perfect goal! There goes the ball. Losing possession. Goal kick. Great power, but poor direction. Sending it deep. Fails to keep the ball. Striking from long range. No more time, the referee says, and that will do. The score comparison is unbelievable. Such a pity for the losing team.